From the rugged Chinook to the deadly Apache and long-endurance Gray Eagle, these are the aircraft that give the U.S. Army its reach across land, air, and beyond. First up, utility aircraft. C-12D Huron. This Beechcraft King Air 200 series aircraft is a twin-turboprop transport used for cargo and personnel movement. It carries 2 crew members and up to 8 passengers, with a range of roughly 1,845 miles. Next, the MC-12. Based on the same Huron airframe, these aircraft were configured for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The RC-12D, H, and K variants were retired from Army service in December 2025. Now this is the C-12J. Based on the Beechcraft 1900, this twin-turboprop aircraft provides light transport capability. 3 aircraft are listed in service with the Alaska Army National Guard, supporting utility and personnel transportation missions. Next up, VIP and business transport aircraft. C-20H. This Gulfstream III is a twin-turbofan VIP transport aircraft introduced in 1985. It carries 2 crew members and up to 14 passengers, with a range of roughly 4,200 nautical miles. Next, the UC-35. Based on the Cessna Citation 5 and Ultra, this twin-turbofan jet serves as a utility and liaison transport aircraft. The Army operates UC-35A and UC-35B, variants for personnel and administrative missions. Now this is the C-37AB. Based on Gulfstream business jets, these aircraft provide long-range VIP transportation. The family includes C-37A and C-37B variants, with a range exceeding 6,000 nautical miles and cruise speeds approaching Mach 0.87. Continuing with cargo and tactical transport aircraft. C-26E Metro Liner. This Fairchild Swearingen twin-turboprop aircraft provides light cargo and transport capability. Introduced during the 1980s, it carries a 2-person crew and supports utility transportation missions within the United States Army. Next, the C-27J Spartan. Built by Alenia Aeronautica, this twin-turboprop transport aircraft can carry roughly 25,000 pounds of payload. Originally operated by the Air Force, Army Special Operations Command now uses it for training. Now this is the C-41A Aviacar. Built by CASA, this twin-turboprop aircraft serves as a light tactical transport. Introduced in 1974, it provides the Army with a compact platform for personnel, cargo, and utility transportation missions. Up next, the UV-18C Twin Otter. Built by de Havilland Canada, this ESTAL twin-turboprop aircraft supports the Army's Golden Knights parachute team. Its short field capability makes it suitable for specialized airborne operations and training. Up next, trainers. T-6D Texan II. Built by Beechcraft and Textron, this single-engine turboprop trainer was introduced in 2015. It provides basic and advanced flight training, with a maximum speed of roughly 320 miles per hour. Next up, intelligence and special mission aircraft. EO-5 and RC-7. Based on the de Havilland Canada-7, these aircraft served electronic warfare and reconnaissance missions. The Army operated EO-5C and RC-7 variants, with the type being retired in 2025 after its reconnaissance role. Next, the CL-650 Artemis. Based on the Bombardier Challenger 650, this modified business jet serves as an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platform. 2 aircraft are listed, introduced in 2020 for specialized missions over monitored and contested areas. Continuing with special operations and heavy-lift helicopters. AH-MH-6M Little Bird. Built by MD Helicopters, this light helicopter supports attack and special operations missions. Used by the 160th SOAR, it is a single-engine platform with a top speed of roughly 150 miles per hour. Next, the MH-47D EG Chinook. These special operations Chinooks use a tandem rotor design and twin turboshaft engines. The family includes 61 aircraft, providing heavy lift capability with a payload exceeding 24,000 pounds for specialized Army missions. Now this is the CH-47D F Chinook. This tandem rotor heavy lift helicopter provides transport and cargo capability across Army aviation. The listed fleet contains roughly 510 aircraft, with additional aircraft on order and external loads reaching about 26,000 pounds. Next up, utility, attack, and support helicopters. EH-60A Black Hawk. This electronic warfare variant of the Black Hawk was introduced in 1979. The Army operated 64 aircraft, using the platform for specialized electronic warfare missions while retaining the basic Black Hawk helicopter configuration. Next, the UH-60A LM Black Hawk. This twin-turboshaft utility helicopter provides troop transport and utility support. The listed fleet includes 1,443 aircraft across 3 variants, carrying up to 11 troops or roughly 9,000 pounds as an external sling load. Now this is the MH-60K Black Hawk. Operated by the 160th SOAR, these special operations helicopters feature aerial refueling capability and terrain-following radar. The fleet includes 58 aircraft across the MH-60K and MH-60L variants. AH-64D Apache. This twin-turboshaft attack helicopter carries a 30mm M230 chain gun, Hellfire missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, and Stinger missiles. The Army operates 824 aircraft, with additional Apache on order. Up next, the UH-72AB Lakota. Based on the EC-145, this twin-engine light utility helicopter supports training and homeland security missions. Introduced in 2007, the Army operates 478 aircraft, with additional Lakotas on order. Finally, the MiL-Me-8, Me-17, and MiL-Me-24. These Russian-built helicopters are operated in small numbers for foreign internal defense and aggressor training. The listed inventory includes 10 Me-8 or Me-17 aircraft and 1 Me-24 for familiarization purposes. Finally, we have unmanned aircraft systems. MQ-1C Gray Eagle. Built by General Atomics, this medium-altitude, long-endurance UAS provides armed reconnaissance and surveillance. Introduced in 2009, it can remain airborne for roughly 25 hours and carry Hellfire missiles, EO/IR sensors, and radar. Next, the CQ-10 Snow Goose. Built by MMISD, this autonomous cargo delivery UAS uses parafoil and auto-gyro configurations. Introduced in 2005, it is designed to deliver supplies without requiring a conventional crewed transport aircraft. RQ-11 Raven. Built by AeroVironment, this hand-launched tactical UAS provides short-range reconnaissance and surveillance. Weighing roughly 4.2 pounds, it can remain airborne for approximately 60 to 90 minutes during small unit operations. Now this is the RQ-20 Puma. Another AeroVironment tactical UAS, the Puma is hand-launched for patrol and surveillance missions. Introduced in 2008, it provides small units with an airborne observation platform capable of more than 2 hours of endurance. Up next, the Black Hornet Nano. This pocket-sized unmanned aircraft is designed for personal reconnaissance at squad level. Its compact form allows individual units to conduct short-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance without deploying a larger aircraft. Prioria Robotics Maverick. This small hand-launched reconnaissance UAS uses a flexible wing that allows compact storage and transport. Introduced in 2008, 36 aircraft are listed, providing lightweight aerial surveillance for Army units.